Stampers! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Nancy Novak from StampinShout.com, and tonight we're going to make a Christmas card, and we're going to use the Ornamental Christmas stamp set, and we're going to use this beautiful Traditions of Christmas Designer Series paper. So this is gorgeous paper. It's got some gold foil accents in it, beautiful colors, reds, greens, blues, even pool party. So tonight's card is pretty much about the Designer Series paper and some of the dies. So let me show you the dies that I'm using. So I have Spotlight on Nature dies, and I am using one of the largest circles. In fact, it is the 3 1/4 inch circle. I'm also using the Stylish Shapes, and I'm using one of the circles here, and that circle is the 2 3/4 inch circle. And then these are the dies that coordinate with the Ornamental Christmas. So you have Christmas trees that you can cut out, ornaments that you can cut out, big circles, stars, ornament toppers, a lot of things that you can do with this. So we're going to make a card tonight, and then stick around because I have a lot of other cards to share with you. So our card base is Secret C, and that is a 7 1/2 by 4 1/4, and I scored it at 2. And I have another piece of Secret C that is 2 by 4 1/4. I have a white piece for the inside that is 5 1/4 by 4. And then here are my circles. Spotlight on Nature, that is 3 1/4 inches. And this was with the Stylish Shapes, and that's 2 3/4. Then I have a layer in red. And these two pieces are 1 7/8 by 3 7/8. Then I have 2 pieces of Designer Series paper. It's double-sided. And that is 1 3/4 by 4. And then I have a scrap. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in one of the dies from the Ornamental Christmas, and I'm going to go ahead and die cut a Christmas tree, and I will be right back. Okay, so there is our Christmas tree. So let's put this together really quick, and then we'll do a little bit of stamping. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue my Designer Series paper to the red layers. Both sides of this are actually beautiful. You could use either one. So like I said, my base is Secret C, but you could also do it with Night of Navy. Okay, so here's our card base. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that right to the card base. And I'm going to glue this one to the card base. Okay, so we have our circles. I'm going to go ahead and glue the white circle to the Secret C circle. Okay, before we put this together, let's do a little stamping. So I'm going to bring in a little scrap of white, and I'm going to bring in Secret C ink. And one of the sentiments in the Ornamental Christmas stamp set is wishing you peace and joy. I'm just going to stamp peace and joy. And then I'm just going to trim that down so it's a little smaller. And then on the inside, I'm going to stamp right in the center, and I am going to stamp 'Tis the Season. You also have Be Jolly and Merry Christmas. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue the inside piece to the inside of our card. Okay, now let me show you how we're going to put this together. I'm going to bring in my dimensionals, and this circle is going to go right about there. This is going to go down here. So I'm just kind of looking at it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dimensional right here on the bottom of the top piece. I'll probably put 2 of them, just like that. Okay, I'm going to bring this in, and I'm going to go ahead and stick it down. So again, I got this piece down here that I'm kind of looking at just so I can see where I want my circle to be. Just like that. So now what you need to do is you need to take your bottom piece. This is still loose. And we're going to line it up right at the bottom, right where it's supposed to be. And we're going to add 2 dimensionals. And again, we're going to add them right here in the center. So that's going to catch our circle when we close it. So I'm going to take the backing off my dimensionals. Again, I want to make sure that this bottom piece is lined up right where it's supposed to go. Then you just have to close your card, and that circle is going to catch that bottom piece. So when you open your card, it's kind of a little bit of a fancy fold. I like this design a lot. So I thought that was really pretty. So now we're going to bring in our Christmas tree that we made, that we cut out of the designer series paper. And I'm going to pop that up on dimensionals also. We're going to put that right on our circle. And then our Peace and Joy, going to kind of put it right across our tree, wherever you think it looks best. I think I'm going to put it right there because I'm going to put a star up at the top. So I'm just going to glue this sentiment down. A little bit of edge, each end sticks off a little bit, so I'm just going to put glue in the middle. Okay, now let me cut out a gold star. And again, the ornamental die set does have a star. So I'm going to cut a star out real quick, and we're going to put it on the top of that tree there. Okay, so there's our star. I'm just going to attach that with a glue dot. And I think we'll bring in a couple of rhinestones and just add a couple here and there. Give us a little bit more shimmer. Okay. What do you think? I really like it. I love the colors. I love that paper. I love that we cut the paper out of the designer series paper too. So Peace and Joy, 'tis the season. Isn't that cool? Okay, wait to see these other cards. I got a lot to show you. So here's one that I did. Again, I cut the ornament out in Old Olive, and then I put a layer of the red behind it with all the little holes, and I put a few rhinestones on there. This is textured with the exposed brick embossing folder. There's a little bit of designer series paper around that rectangle, big red bow, and then Merry Christmas. And again, we have the designer series paper on the inside. And then I have this one here. So this is a red card base, real red, and I just textured the front of it with the exposed brick embossing folder. And then I have a couple of circles that I use the Spotlight on Nature's dies for. And then the tree, and of course we have some more die cuts. That's from the Ornamental Christmas. Look like little diamond-shaped stars, and Wishing You Peace and Joy. And then we have that strip of designer series paper there, and Merry Christmas. So these two I'm actually going to be making in a in-person card class here in my new neighborhood up at the clubhouse. We're going to make those 2 cards. And here's another one. This is similar to this. This is Cherry Cobbler. And then a different piece of that designer series paper. So 2 totally different cards, both very elegant and pretty. Okay, here's 2 more. These are 2 classes, 2 cards that we're going to do in my card class this Saturday. So this is the designer series paper, the Traditions of Christmas designer series paper, and the die actually cut out that little flower stem, put it on an arch. And then this is the wreath embossing folder. And I even embossed the pool party color behind it. And then inside. This one I did Happy Birthday because my sister-in-law's birthday is in December. So I always like to give her a sort of a wintry Christmas birthday card. And I thought this was perfect. But of course, you could put any sentiment inside for the holidays. And then here's the other one we're going to make this week. So this is a piece of that designer series paper. Kind of did a layer around it in white. And then again, this larger layer is the wreath embossing folder. And then we cut out a bow, and that is from the Christmas greenery die set. We put a little rhinestone right there in the middle. So this is really pretty. It's popped up on dimensionals, and it's got that texture from that wreath embossing folder. Then he did a little stamping inside, and that's a 2-step stamp set, the Christmas greenery. So it was really simple. Stamped it in Memento black ink, and then just use the filler stamps to add the color. I thought that turned out really pretty for our class. I'm excited to make that with everyone. Then I have these two I already showed you, but they're so pretty, we might as well show you again. These are my traditional Christmas colors. Instead of the Ornamental Christmas comes with the black, white, and gold foil paper, I wanted to do something in the traditional red and greens. So this has got the eyelet embossing folder back here. It's layered on the garden green circle. And then we have Merry Christmas inside. And then here we have lots of layers, a little bit of embossing, and then Merry Christmas. So I hope you like all these cards. I hope you got a little bit inspired. And again, here is today's card. So leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. And I hope to be back next Wednesday with another project. Remember to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber so you don't miss out on when I do my videos. And until next time, don't be shy. Stamp and shout.